Welcome. In this video, we're going to find the volume of a solid revolution. So this is an example using the rotating about the x-axis. So let's say your graph looks like this. So this looks square root of x. So we have the square root of x, and we want to find the value of this area from the solid that creates from 0 to 9 and rotate about the x-axis. So the volume is going to be equal to the integral of pi times the integral from 0 to 9 of square root of x squared dx. Because what we're going to do is we want to do a rotator about the x-axis. So we're going to create a vertical slab. Okay, so now this is equal to pi 0 to 9 of x dx, because the square root cancels when you have a square, and that's equal to pi 0 to 9. Okay, let's integrate it. Okay, integral of x squared is going to be x squared over 2 from 0 to 9, and that's equal to 81 pi over square root of 2. So that's the volume. That's the volume of this solid revolution. Okay. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, please.